Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll share you how we can make our narrative theme logo size bigger only for mobile version. Previously, I did make a video on how to make the narrative theme logo size bigger, but it was for the desktop only. You can find the link in the description or in the card as well in the top section. So many people ask to make a video on how to make the logo size big in the mobile as well. So in this video, I'll show you that. I hope that will help you, and if that helps, please subscribe to the channel and do watch the full video. So my narrative theme is currently installed in my website, as you can see. So I'll click on the customize, and if we go to the logo, then we can see that the logo size is ending in certain period. So if I go to the header now, as you can see, in previously in my YouTube video, I did make it to 200 pixel, right? So this is how it looks. So when we are going to mobile, if you look, this is not working. Okay, so when we are going to mobile, this logo size is not working, so there is no option as well for mobile also. So how we can make that? So let me share this with you. So as you can see, we don't have any option to increase it from our dashboard, so we have to use a piece of code. So where you will find that code, I will leave a blog description in my description. So this is the link of the site. Just follow this link and just scroll down, and you will find a code to add in theme.scss file. Just copy these codes from here, and then what we need to do is, okay, then go to your themes. Okay, then go to your themes. Let me show you this, how the logo size looks in mobile. So you can see this is pretty small. I just wanted to make it little bit larger. Okay, so this is how it looks. So then go to your theme, online store themes, and click on edit code. Okay, then click on edit code, and then what you need to do is to go to assets folder. This assets folder, under the assets folder you will find theme.scss.liquid. Click on it and just scroll down uh, to below in the last section of the file, and just click enter, and then paste those codes. Then paste those, which codes? These codes. Okay, then paste those codes from the side. I will put the link in the description. And then what you need to do, I just wanted to make it 100 pixel. Okay, so these are the number you want to put. If you want to put 60 pixel, put it here. 100 pixel, put it here. 200 pixel, put it here. Then you have to click save. Okay, so as I said, this is how looking my logo right now. So I will refresh the site once more, and I will check it again. So now you can see it is it got larger. Okay, now it looks larger. So it got 200 pixel. So if, let me show if that is working. So make it 10 pixel. So make it small. So see if that works or not. Okay, so again I am refreshing it. So if I go to the mobile, you can see it becomes too small. Okay, so it is working. So then change those values according to your need. 100 pixel, 50 pixel, 60 pixel, what suits your logo. So this will solve the issue on how to add the increase the logo size in mobile. And for desktop, check my previous video. And I hope you like the video. If that, please smash a like button and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if that helps. Thank you very much for watching the video.